Lloyd, tell me a little bit about yourself. We are so grateful to have you here today.
I can't hear worth a darn.
Tell me about yourself and your experiences.
Well, here, I can only, there you are, read them off.
Wow.
That's some of them.
We thank you for coming out today and for all of your service.
Well, this is quite a quite a thing to have everybody come out and enjoy something like this. It really does. It makes me feel like maybe what I did was worthwhile. And I could never realize why God saved me and not very many of the others until on Veterans Day I got a card from my great-granddaughter, and on it said she thanked God that I was able to live and come back home, because if it wasn't for him having me to come back home, I wouldn't have got to be me. And I love to be me, and thank you, God,